Guys, this is a new video. This is the main dashboard of AIMS, where you have been given all of the links, most of the links here for a quick actions. So you don't need to go and search for the other links or uh, menus. So most of the links which we use on daily basis in a very common has been given here. So it's a very quick links to go straight to the particular screen you want. These are the attendance status of daily basis. Straight you can go to take attendance from here, student attendance or staff attendance. These buttons, wherever you click, it will take you to the attendance. So on daily basis, anyone, any teacher, instructor who want to take the attendance, they can go straight away from here. Before going to do any kind of transactions or activities, we need to go to the finance and the finance management, because if we don't do this step, we will not be able to do make any kind of transactions or collection of fees, whatever related or connected to the financial terms and conditions. So we need to go to chart of account first, because without chart of accounts we can't make any kind of transactions. So here you can see that there are no chart of accounts headings or titles or accounts. So we need to import the chart of account first. Import. If you click on this button, accounts are adding, and if you just refresh it, so here you can see all of the uh, default headings, account heads, income, expense, capital, assets, liabilities, all of the heads uh, are imported here. So after this action, you will be able to go ahead and you will be able to make any financial activities. Thank you very much.